Assalamu alaikum. I am Syed Gulam Rahman. My ID is 51. I have complete my SSC and 2020 with GPA 3.86 and HSC in 2023 with GPA 4 point. Both SSC and HSC complete from Feni Government Technical School and College. Now I am studying BSc in CSC from Feni University. I can enjoy. I can easily communicate with people. I have experiences in computer operating and some specific field such as MS Office and C language. My hobby is learning new things. Also, I enjoy fishing, playing football and cricket. Now that I am studying computer engineer, I have got to be a software engineer. I believe this field operation. I am excited about this now new chapter in my life. So thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.